Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Apple Pay abroad. Let's get straight into the video. The first thing you're going to do is to check compatibility. So you want to check Apple Pay, you want to check if Apple Pay is supported in the country you're visiting, and then you can just visit the Apple Pay website to see a list of countries that support Apple Pay, and then just check if the country you're visiting is going to be part of that list. And then the second is to check your bank or card issuer. So you want to ensure that your bank or card issuer supports international transactions and Apple Pay. And this compatibility, if you're compatible with this, then we can move on to using Apple Pay abroad. Now, the first thing you want to do is to ensure that your device is compatible, as we said before. Apple Pay is available on iPhone 6 or later. You also have that on Apple Watch, on the iPad Air 2 or later, and then of course Mac models with Touch ID. So after that, you want to make sure that you add a compatible credit or debit card. So you can just add a credit or debit card that supports international transactions and Apple Pay. And of course, you can look for Apple Pay acceptance. So just look for Apple Pay logo or contactless payment symbols at merchants, and you'll be able to use Apple Pay abroad. The fourth, of course, is to authenticate the transactions. You want to use Face ID, Touch ID, or the passcode to authenticate the transaction. Now, for foreign transaction fees, what you want to do is first to check your bank or card issuer. So some banks or card issuers may charge foreign transaction fees. The second, of course, is to consider using a credit card with no foreign transaction fees. So some credit cards don't charge foreign transaction fees, and of course that's going to save you a lot of money. So you can also try to see if you can get those ones. Now, for currency conversion, of course you want to check the exchange rate. So the exchange rate is determined by your bank or the card issuer, so you want to check what that is. And the second is to consider using a credit card with competitive exchange rate. So some credit cards offer competitive exchange rates. You want to make sure that you get those ones and you use them. A couple of other tips or reminders for you guys. First, of course, is to notify your bank or your card issuer and inform them of your travel plans to avoid transaction issues and such. The second is to keep your device and cards secure. You want to make sure that you protect your device and cards with password, Face ID, and Touch ID, all level of security that you can. The final tip is to beware of local transaction limits. So some countries may have transaction limit for contactless payments, and you want to make sure that you know what those are. So that's going to save you out in the pinch. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel because that helps out a lot. Thank you guys for watching, and